Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Florida right now. I'm on a little vacation. I'm not sure which video is going to go up first, either my makeup tutorial, this haul. I just filmed this look, so it will be up on my channel shortly, whatever I upload first. So it's my last day, my last full day. So I definitely want to go and enjoy the sun, enjoy the beautiful weather, but I want to show you what I bought while I was here. Let's get started. So yeah, I'm here on a little solo trip. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm in Hollywood, Florida, which is like in between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Anyways, so I went shopping on my second day here. I went to Aventura Mall. It's like half super luxury, half like regular kind of mall. I did some shopping, but honestly not that much. Like I didn't need anything really. The only place I really wanted to go to was Houses CB, but I didn't even get there because it was in Miami, but like far from I spent one day in Miami, but it was like even far from where I was. So anyways, Victoria's Secret. So we don't have one in Ottawa. We used to, not anymore. My favorites for the year, I talked about this bra, which is the Dream Angels bra. This bra has no padding. This is like my go-to kind of comfy everyday bra, and it was on sale for $20. So pretty. Like I really like this. These bras are super pretty and very comfortable as well. And then like I saw this on the website, so kind of really wanted to try it. I don't really have a go-to push-up bra, and you know, sometimes you just want a push-up bra. So but I wanted something that was still very soft and comfortable. I had seen this really pretty color. I'm really into pink recently, especially this really light baby pink. And this is the Dream Angels, but this is, so same kind of line, but this is the push-up version. It was between this one, just like really pretty. It's like smooth, which I wanted. I really love as well the Cloud push-up bra. That's the next one I'm gonna get. It was extremely soft. The band here, so seamless, so soft. So anyways, but this bra is super pretty. I really like it, and I just really love the color, so I got this one. And then I'll move on to this. I went to Provocateur. So I actually went, this was not in the same mall. I went, so yesterday I spent the day in Miami, and I went to Brickle City Center, I think it's called. They have an Provocateur there, and I often check the website. I just never know what size to get. I kind of wanted to go in store and see what my size would be. I'm just gonna take a photo of the packaging. I think like they make really pretty special lingerie, but it often goes on sale. It's expensive, but yeah, like this was on sale. So here we are. Oh, I should have filmed like it's super nicely wrapped. The lady was so sweet, and I found out it was her first day, but she was so sweet. Anyways, so I tried on a few. Look at that! How pretty is this? So I'll take a picture again. Usually I'm like a 34D, and like I said, sometimes I'm a 32 triple D at Victoria's Secret. Anyways, so usually like a 34 band fits me very well, and even like a 32, so usually like a 34 I wear on the tightest, and like a 32 also fits me quite comfortably. But this, the band was really tight, so but I did get a 34D because that's the one that fit me like really well for the cups. So this is the bra. Basically, this is the kind of bra I really wanted, like a pretty bra that, you know, if I'm wearing like a little dress, like for me, like the below dress from Aritzia is one of my favorite dresses. It has thin straps, like a lower kind of neckline that looks nice with the balcony bra. So this is the kind of bra that you wear with something that it's gonna show. That makes sense. But like, because it's not a push-up or anything, it's not like it pushes your boobs up so much, so it's still like very, I don't know, I feel like it looks cute when it's showing, or like even with a white shirt kind of open. So I think this is the Molly bra. So anyways, now I kind of know my size, and she gave me like extenders for the back. I just think this is really pretty. So I really would have loved like a full-on red one. They didn't have one on sale. If not, these bras are like $130, you know, $200 sometimes. Like, can be crazy prices, but I got this one for $50, and it fits really well. And I did get the matching thong, and for the thong I got a size 2. I didn't try this on, so who knows, but look at how pretty this is. And this originally is like $75. I got it on sale though. So both of these, $88. This was really worth it. I think this is such a cute set. It's like a work of art in a way. Did I need to go in there? No. But I got a tennis skirt. So I love the micro mini tennis skirt. This one I didn't notice. It's not the micro, but it was on sale for $33. This is in the color light birch. I think this is gonna look nice with either like a white top. Then I don't have to wear like an activewear top on top. I feel like I could do something else, like a white shirt maybe for like a casual day. I don't know. But yeah, I got this because I love like a little tennis skirt, and I didn't see this at home. I went to Lululemon. My camera's going crazy with the colors. So basically the color strawberry milk is out at Lululemon. I guess this is like an old color that they used to have. I bought this. This is actually what I'm going to be wearing today. So basically I got the cropped jacket. They only had a size 2, but it fits. Usually mine is in a 4. It matches the bra from Victoria's Secret. It's just so beautiful. And this is in the new Lulu material, just my favorite material. Anyways, this amazing. I got the A-line top one. I get in a size 8 because the cups are made very small. So this is the cropped version. I'm gonna wear this today, so I'll show you. And then I got the tennis skirt, which I don't have. I have one skirt from Lululemon, but it's a different one. This is like the pleated, which I think is really cute. So that's what I bought from, you know, my trip. I saw Provocateur, which we don't have, so I really wanted to go. Then the little Lulu set that I really wanted at home, but they didn't have it before I left. So, but then I did get one more thing. There was this little kiosk. They were selling Kerastase, so I bought these 2 because I didn't bring any shampoo or conditioner. So I bought the Extentionniste, which was on sale. It was like 20% off, so it came up to like the same Canadian, you know. And then the Nutritive leave-in. So I love both of these. I've had these before. Anyways, I'm running low at home, so this is like perfect. So I bought stuff that like I could buy at home. So I'll show you a few things now that I got before my trip. I have a few things. So first I'll show you, you know, what I'm wearing. So I bought this Coverup and this whole set. So I'm not wearing the underwear right now, so I'll just show you. So this is from Monday Swimwear. I got the top that's like this. Coverup honestly really sold me on the whole thing. Like, I love the sleeves. I got that before my vacation and I really love it. Then I bought this as well from Reformation before I left, on sale. It's a pretty like yellow linen dress. It's an open back. This is kind of what I was wearing to go down for breakfast on my little trip. I love this. I'll be able to wear this summer as well. It was on sale from $300 to $100, so I got a pretty good deal on that. Camera might cut off, so if this is the end of the haul, this will be it. Okay, I've been loving Garage. I found this little dress. It's like a drop waist. I haven't had the chance to wear this yet, but I love it. I might wear this tonight. I mean, it's such a pretty dress. It fits really well. They also have a black one, which I'll get for the summer eventually. Just so pretty. Like, honestly, super like good material. Very impressed with this, and the fit is just so good. Then again, from Garage, I found this little mini skirt in black. I didn't wear the black one. These run big. I got this in an extra small. I got the white one that I wore yesterday and I love it. Okay, I'll show you my dirty clothes. So I got the white one. It's full of like, there's fake tan on it. I got the white one and I love it. I've been loving white. I feel like it looks so classy. I had to charge my camera, but basically this mini little skirt from Garage, I think looks, an all white outfit just looks expensive in a way. And then this cute little tank top with the lace that I wore yesterday. Again, really good quality. These two with like a little white shirt over it. I think it looked nice. And then from Aritzia, something else that I bought before the trip, it was on sale, is the white tennis skirt with like the matching top and stuff. So this is the outfit. I'm ready now. I'm gonna go on my walk. So this is the outfit that I bought. This whole outfit from Lululemon. I'll show you a little better in the mirror. Yeah, this shade of pink is like what I've been loving recently, so I'm gonna be in this outfit all the time. I mean, this color, like I want my whole life in this color now. So this is where I'm going. I'm gonna go walk there, but I'm not gonna wear the jacket to go on my walk. But okay, here's the outfit. Isn't it cute? So everything is the same color. I will say the skirt might be like a tiny bit big, but so yeah, thank you so much for watching my vlog, my haul. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day in my cute little outfit. So yeah, if I could wear an outfit like this every single day, I would be so happy. So